students, is solenoid. First of all, what is solenoid? Solenoid is prepared by insulated copper wires by winding it in the form of a cylinder. Or if we take a cylindrical helix and on it we bind a coil of insulated copper wires, then it is called solenoid. When current is passed through the solenoid, it will behave like a magnet, and the magnetic field inside the solenoid will be uniform. That's why it is represented by parallel lines. Outside the solenoid, these lines of force run from north to south pole, and inside the solenoid, they run from south to north pole. That is, magnetic field lines form closed loops. Now the question is that which end of the solenoid will act as north pole and which end will act as south pole. To find the polarity of the solenoid, hold the solenoid just before yourself and see the direction of current in the solenoid at the end towards you. See the direction of current in the solenoid at the end towards you. If the current is going clockwise, then that end is south pole, other end is north, and if the current is going anti-clockwise, then that end is north pole, the opposite one is south pole. Magnetic field due to solenoid is given by mu naught n I upon L, where n is the total number of turns, I is the current in the solenoid, and L is the number of turns in the solenoid. Capital N upon capital N may be represented by small n, and it is called number of turns per unit length. So it will be equal to B is equal to mu naught small n into I. Remember that magnetic field at the end of the solenoid will always be half of the magnetic field inside the solenoid. Magnetic field at the end of the solenoid is given by the formula mu naught n I upon 2. That is, magnetic field is half of the magnetic field inside the solenoid.